Thank you for tuning in to another edition of the Vulcan Report with yours truly, the Algo Capitalist. Today is Friday, May the 4th, 2018. Let's take a look at how the markets ended up. So Bitcoin got a little stronger, finishing up about 25, got green on the screen, so nice momentum close. Market is trying to lock in this rally. Looks like the market is going to make continue to gun for that 10,000. 10,000 is going to be overhead resistance, and if the market can get a good close there, therefore we might be able to get up to the longer term trend line resistance of 13,000. So Bitcoin is still in retracement mode, so the futures are looking rather strong. So way to go on the Bitcoin. Taking a look at the equity market, starting with the Dow, finishing up over 300 points on the future side today, but still down for the week. We got red on the screen, and the market needed to close above 24,328, and that's what we needed, and it didn't get it. I'm sorry, I take that back. Market needed to close, actually, let me see here, 24, no, make that 24,206, and we got 24,233, so just barely hanging on to a shred of momentum there, but everything is still pointing down. Momentum is still down, and that's it's just a weird thing. The market's been kind of flat. We've really gone nowhere. Overall, the complexion of the market, though, is still trying to hold on to bullishness. But unfortunately, this bar, let me make sure I got my stuff right here. Yeah, let's see. It's 1, 2. Yep, we're still in a beginning stages of a bearish momentum cycle. Still in a bearish momentum cycle, and that constitutes also a trend change. All right, so I think that the rally that you saw is just setting up for the bears to come in and sell the market again. Let me just pull up the daily chart, show you what I'm talking about. All right, you're overbought here on the daily chart. You see it came up here to the resistance line. That's all you did was rally back up. Each time you come up here to that trend line, the market falls. So you may have one more day or so of, you might get like a little spike. Last time we spiked here, and we spiked it here, and then we rolled over. So I think between the coming week and the next 2 weeks, we should start to roll back over, and should put it back down here somewhere testing that 23,500. So yeah, downtrend channel still in effect on the daily chart. All right, and on the weekly chart, the beginning of a bear market. All right, pulling up the NASDAQ 100, which finished up 114 points. All right, it's in an overbought position, but it's still hanging on to a bullish position. All right, so hasn't crossed down yet. Let's pull up the daily real quick. All right, the daily is, nothing's really changed too much. You still got your trend lines below the Kuma cloud, but price has now rallied up. Last time you rallied up and pushed out, you didn't make it. So I'm going to say it looks like it could be possibly head faking and setting up for the next fall. This is going to be an interesting one to watch. Definitely an interesting one to watch over the next 2 weeks. All right, here's your crude oil. All right, 69.97. 3 cents off of the $70 target that I gave you way back when. And here you are. All right, markets Came within 3 pennies of hitting that $70 target. So this is very interesting on the oil. Where it goes from here is a good question. You're in the overbought phase right now. Another week or two of this, and you would end up locking in, and then you can see this thing running to 73. All right, let's take a look at the U.S. dollar index. All right, here you go. U.S. dollar index still strong. All right, on the daily chart, and here you go here, coming up to that 92 level, like I told you. So that objective has been hit in both oil and the dollar, and you're locking in. But you got this overhead resistance here, so it's going to be interesting. Can it get to 94 before bumping its head on the Kumo cloud and then rolling over again? It's going to be interesting to see how that pans out. Looking at the bond market got as low as 141 before a slight recovery, still lost on the momentum, still in a bear market, and still no sign of changing that as of this week. So I expect more downside to come. All right, let's take a look at gold. As you know, gold has been losing momentum. All right, 3 down weeks in a row here. All right, starting the beginning of a downtrend channel. In other words, even though you're down 3 weeks in a row, it's just now starting to lock in, and there could be a precipitous fall coming in this gold market. Looking at silver, silver's already been in a downtrend channel, and that has not changed. Prices got knocked right back down into here, and we have this pointer. So the sword is pointing south of $16. So bearishness still in the market. So it's going to be fascinating to see just how fast and furious these markets move in these directions. And with that being said, remember pulsewavetrading.com. Take advantage of the 7-day free trial. And remember, bulls make money, bears make money, and pigs get slaughtered. So remember to take what you can and give nothing back. Peace.